All right, today we're going to bring a dining table, and this is all the parts that you get. It's really heavy. You can't do this by yourself. Now, they also include the instructions, and everything's well labeled and instructed. It's going to take about two people to put it together and close it up, but it took me quite about an hour and a half to set up.